Alright folks, I'm back again. I've been working on the capacitor bank project. Now this little guy down here is your typical standard size SCR. As you probably saw in my previous videos, I'm not going to use the puck SCR because it's just a bit of a pain in the bum to work with. But what I have got, which I just received off eBay, is this monster. That's 150 amp SCR at 1000 to 1200 volts, I believe. Yeah, it's got some slightly larger connectors on it than this little guy here. I mean, this little guy here can sit on top of one of the connectors. There you go. So I've got that guy, and I've also been programming the Arduino. Now, I've just got to reach down here and grab the lead, because this now has a 4x20 display. So, if I fire this guy up, turn off the light so we can see it, can it light up for me? Oh, but there is a 0. I'll press the reset button on the Arduino. There we are. BK2FRO capacitor bank. Oh, by BK2FRO. We have a bar graph! Now because there's nothing feeding into it, obviously it's getting all these erroneous readings. It does eventually settle down to about 260 volts. I've changed my code to work in similar fashion to Alex's, and that is whereby it will charge to a set voltage instead of having to hold the button down. That was a simpler changing an if-then statement. Simply because I don't want someone to hold the button down for so long that it will overcharge the caps. So you select a set voltage, that's what this second line says, and hit the charge button and it will charge it up. And of course the other functions, discharging is automatic. You press the discharge button and it bleeds the system down to 10 volts. And keeps it there. It sets a bit higher so that it occasionally checks the voltage, and if it gets above 10 volts it kicks in the resistor again. And of course the firing system, well, I've got to work that one out, but that's just rigging up the SCR, which shouldn't be too difficult. I've already built a 3 volt current source which will drive the gate, and now I have to make a short pulse out of it, which I think I've got a 555 timer to do that. Alright, so there's a quick update. I'm now going to box this thing up and wire up the SCR trigger. Catch you later.